How is debt handled that accrues during divorce proceedings? Hi, Raiford Palmer, managing partner, STG Divorce Law in Chicago and the suburbs, and author of the best-selling divorce book, I Just Want This Done: How Smart, Successful People Get Divorced Without Losing Their Kids' Money and Minds. Available on Amazon, Kindle, and where all great ebooks are sold, answering your divorce questions. This question from one of our loyal TikTok followers. Thank you, folks on TikTok. By the way, it's probably going to shut down soon. If it doesn't, that's great. If it does, follow me on Instagram at Raiford Palmer, link in bio, to make sure you don't miss any content like this. I answer questions there too, so let's keep them coming. Like, follow, and share for more. But let me answer this question. The question is, what about debt in divorce cases? Well, just like assets, in an Illinois divorce, we are an equitable division state. So debt that accrues during the divorce case, which can be a lot because divorce cases can go on for years, unfortunately, in Illinois, especially in Cook County, the debt is going to be shared equally by the spouses. So you've got to be on top of not only assets that are accruing during the marriage, but understand that debt accrued during the divorce is something that will be shared. So the only exception to that is what's known as dissipation of marital assets. And we've talked about dissipation before. It's a fairly rare case where somebody wastes marital assets. They spend assets or income on a purpose outside of the marriage after the marriage is irretrievably broken. Those are the magic words. There's some fairly strict rules about how that has to be proven. And once you show that there is dissipation, the other party has the burden to show that it's not dissipation. So, and you theoretically would get half of those dollars back if you could show it was truly dissipation of assets. Judges generally don't like dissipation claims. They kind of discourage them, and it has to be fairly extreme to get the judge's attention. So generally speaking, debts that are incurred during the marriage, so you're buying clothing or food, paying for shelter, so an apartment, what have you, those things are generally not considered dissipation. So understand that those are marital debts, likely going to be divided equally for most people during a divorce. So that's very important to understand that that's going to go on the balance sheet and be divided, even though your soon-to-be ex might be the one incurring more debt than you. So just keep that in mind. Thanks a lot for the question. Please keep the questions coming. I'm Raiford Palmer, STG Divorce Law.